Here's the truth. No one's coming to save you. That version of you that you keep daydreaming about, she's not waiting for motivation, she's waiting for consistency. And the good news? You don't need a new year, a new job, or a new relationship to reinvent yourself. You just need 30 days of intention. So in this video, I'm giving you the 30-day reinvention challenge, the same soft, feminine, realistic blueprint I used to transform my energy, my habits, and my mindset. No pressure, no perfection, just discipline with grace. Let's reinvent you, one soft, powerful day at a time. Days 1 to 5, the clean slate era. The first 5 days are about decluttering, not just your space, but your spirit. Clean your room like you're preparing for a new version of you to move in. Change your sheets, throw out expired products, delete old messages that drain you. You can't build new energy in a cluttered environment. Then, detox your mind. Unfollow accounts that make you compare. Stop checking your ex's story. Stop revisiting people who remind you of the version you're trying to outgrow. This is your reset era. Make space for the woman you're becoming. Days 6 to 10, the energy rebuild era. Next, it's time to refill what the world drained. Start waking up for yourself. Not for your phone, not for work, for you. Even if it's 10 minutes earlier, make it your moment. Journal in the morning, drink water, write I am becoming instead of I want to be. Your words are spells. Speak like she's already here. Start moving your body again. Stretch, walk, dance in your room. Anything that reminds you you're alive. Your energy rebuilds when you stop existing on autopilot. Days 11 to 15, the habit era. This is where most people quit, because change feels boring before it feels rewarding. Start building one habit at a time. You don't need to change your whole life overnight. That's why you keep burning out. Morning. Make your bed, do skincare, journal for 5 minutes. Midday. Move your body or go outside. Night. Light a candle, stretch, reflect. The goal isn't perfection, it's rhythm. You'll notice. Your peace grows louder, your anxiety grows quieter. That's what consistency feels like. Days 16 to 20, the boundary era. You can't reinvent yourself while staying connected to the same chaos. So now, we protect your energy like skincare. Stop explaining your no. Mute notifications that disturb your peace. Distance from people who drain you, even if you still love them. Boundaries aren't walls. They're filters for peace. This is where your energy starts feeling sacred again. Because once you stop giving everyone access, your glow becomes magnetic. Days 21 to 25, the feminine era. This is where the softness returns. You've done the hard work, now bring back the beauty. Start dressing for your energy again. Do your skincare like a ritual. Add perfume, gloss, and jewelry. Not for anyone else, but for the woman who shows up every day for herself. Move slowly, speak intentionally, romanticize your mornings again. The feminine glow-up happens when discipline meets peace. Days 26 to 30, the alignment era. You've decluttered, healed, built habits, set boundaries, and softened. Now, you align. Every morning, ask yourself, is what I'm doing today helping the woman I'm becoming? If the answer is no, pivot. Because the woman you want to be already exists. You just need to make choices that lead you to her daily. And when you do that for 30 days straight, you'll wake up one morning and realize you've become unrecognizable. Not because you forced a glow up, but because you healed into one. So here's your sign. Reinvent yourself before 2026 really begins. Clean your space, guard your peace, move your body, speak kindly to yourself, and repeat that for 30 days. You'll notice your confidence returns, your spirit feels lighter, and your peace becomes non-negotiable. Because the woman you're becoming, she's already here. She's just waiting for you to choose her every morning. Comment, "My 30-day glow-up starts now," below if you're ready to begin your reinvention era.